Okay, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm just going to be doing another backtesting session, and we're just going to be doing this week of November in 2019. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and edit this, and then we can get right into the nitty-gritty, the backtesting session. So these are the current stats so far, 60% since June. So what's that, like 4 months? No, it's more than 4 months. It's like maybe 5, 6 months. But still, that's actually a very good return and 90% win rate. So, as per usual, let's skip up to the Monday. As in the power with 3 theory, Monday usually is the accumulation day for the open high low close or open low high close. So, starting on the daily does look a bit choppy. We have rebalanced into these gaps, and it does look like we are at all-time highs. Sorry, had a very nice SMT into that daily gap, which was mad. So yeah, looks like we might want to expand after accumulating for like a week, basically. Yeah. So I mean, this could be where we expand. Clearly, we are respecting bullish PDRAs that are being formed and disrespecting bearish. So with that in mind, there's no immediate PDRAs for us to mark out for. We're not going to really come down here if we are expanding. If we do come down that far, we'll be very suspicious. So we're starting to reaccumulate again here. Did just tap into that 5 though. This wouldn't be a bad trade to take, honestly. But I want some better accumulation like this. But we need to manipulate. We have a 15 here as well, which is nice. Should be keeping AS open. Let me put this on full screen. So it looks like we might be getting our manipulation now. So we've tapped into the 15. Surely we can tap into the discounted 15. Get some SMT. No. Just reject. Tapped into the order block as well as its 5. And AS also did tap into its order block. We can try an inversion here, and then we'll go break even at these highs. And then I'll just draw my fib quickly. Wrong. Just draw that. So we get some projections for where price could potentially want to go. And then we can just, we'll just take a long up to here. I'll leave it at this wick. I don't really see us coming down and tapping into it. But that should give us a nice, I'll just do it a little bit below that projection. That should give us a nice 3 risk to reward. But yeah, this setup is actually, it's a limit order, surely it taps me in. Okay. Yep. And break even. And smack that TP. Look how funny that is. Notice how when we draw our fib up, price rejects exactly off that level. Very powerful tool. My settings for it is this. This is just for projections. This isn't for standard deviation. You can also use standard deviation for projecting as well. So we probably could have projected this leg, but I don't really see that. Not really the best. You can only really do it in shorter manipulation legs or even just like these swings, but didn't actually hit. So we'll go to the next day. I'll stop yapping on about that. And so it looks like, yeah, NQ ain't good this week, bro. Just ranging. Just straight ranging, bro. Yeah, so Now it looks like we might have flipped to a sell model on the hourly, as you can see. But we've just swept this high and made a new high, so yeah, it's just a bit dodgy, you know. I'll play it out, see if we do get any setups. I mean, this could potentially be a nice setup. We've already tapped into this 5, like we're just not reacting at all off it, which is not a good sign whatsoever. So we get that, but we also just tap into a 15 and just reject, and then reaccumulate, and then this hourly gap. I mean, I could probably take this, but I want to see this huge imbalance be respected first. Okay, no. Yeah, I'm not even trading this, bro. This is so horse. 2 candles of movement and then reaccumulate. Yeah, nah, bro. I'm not taking this, to be honest. I'm not trading that. Need to know when to sit out, even though it's backtesting. Like, I don't just want to start cooking my win rate just because I want to take like retarded trades, you know. Again, this market's absolutely horrible right now. Clearly not much news this week. Jobs. Have something tomorrow, retail. Yeah, just absolutely no news. So, yeah, I don't know about this. I mean, we can try it, but again, like, this is absolutely horrible. There's nothing here for us to, no PDOs for us to even enter off. Okay, so we get that. So we get pre-accumulation manipulation into this. But again, we didn't sweep any form of liquidity. Tapped into this, like, refined order block, I guess. I need to say this 5 beat inverse before doing anything. Still have an inverse as 5. Okay, there's our inversion. We've just respected this at 1 minute, so might try. This is like a very sloppy PO3, but I guess it wouldn't hurt in trying. Probably would hit. I'm literally just gonna target a like a 1 to, actually, I'll just target down here. Go break even here, trim some down here. Like a very light risk. Oh, I'm sick of these limit orders, bro. Break even it very early because I'm not very confident. Yeah. So, do we dump? Yeah. Well, even if I like just move risk up to here, still doesn't matter. So, on to the next day. I don't really like these conditions. I don't really know if I want to trade these conditions, to be completely honest. Because now this does look like we have high time frame power of 3. But we are in this 4 hour. And we have this massive 4 hour rejection block. Yeah, the market's just still in a range. We have this 15 though. I'll keep an eye on, but like again, this does look like we've started a sell model as well in the 1 minute, as you can see, pre-accumulation, then manipulation down to start the sell model, and now we're seeing an reaccumulation leg, and then we didn't actually manipulate into anything though, which is weird. So we'll probably reaccumulate here and then manipulate into this 15 maybe, or even just this 5. But if we inverse this 5, then okay, so we inverse the 5, tapped into the 15, and we're just gonna instantly send, I guess. see what we do here. Just, yeah, I'm not sure. This is just like a joke. Absolutely nothing here for us to take. You could potentially take this, like, call this a reaccumulation leg, and just say we're just entering a a buy model. But if we were in like a market make model, we would have reaccumulated, or at least had some resistance at this level right here, which we clearly didn't. We just completely blew straight past it. But then again, you can see we are using this previous reaccumulation leg to grab more liquidity. But again, we've already grabbed liquidity from this leg and it didn't even hold us at all. So we can keep playing this out. This probably would run up and take this high, but I don't really just want to be taking like silly trades. Yeah, so yeah, on days like this, I'd rather sit out, like, just for my psychology. All of the above, really. But I think that's probably the end of it. I only took one trade, but it was a win, and it was a pretty high win as well, I think. It was, yeah, 2.3%. Probably more than that. Because we risked, what, 0.5%? So, yeah, 0.5% to make 2.3%. So, decent trade. Like, you don't need more than that in a week. You guys who are trying to chase like 10% weeks, like, you're just gonna get cooked because you're chasing these high risk to rewards. So decent win rate, or very good win rate actually, like amazing win rate. We've only had like 4 losses this whole time, 3 break evens. So yeah, very good backtesting session so far. I'll be posting a backtesting session every day. And also, if you would like to go pick up some Alpha Futures accounts, go support your boy. Use code HUS, 10% off, and a 0 activation fee for the whole month of September. So thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a good trading day. So see you later.